Did you know some people never lose their baby teeth? Jake was 19 and had never lost a single tooth. He bragged about his perfect smile constantly, but he believed in the tooth fairy, and she wasn't pleased with his arrogance. She was ancient, vengeful, and tired of being forgotten by kids who kept all their teeth. One night, she cursed him out of pure spite. Jake woke up to find his perfect white teeth had turned rotten and yellow overnight. He screamed at his reflection, covering his mouth in horror. But something waited on his nightstand. Expensive teeth whitening strips he'd never bought. Desperate, he used them every single night for a week. Each day, his teeth grew whiter and brighter, almost glowing with an unnatural light. By the seventh day, he smiled into the mirror with confidence, admiring his flawless, shining grin. But in the reflection, it wasn't his face smiling back at him. It was hers, ancient and cruel, wearing his perfect smile like a mask. The fairy always collects what she's owed.